In this video, we'll see how to solve integration using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Let's see the formula first. I integral equals to x0 to xn. Fx is some function with respect to dx, and the formula is given as, write the integral again, and this is equal to h by 3 y naught, meaning the first value of fx after putting the value of x, plus 4 times y1 plus y3 and so on to yn minus 1. These are the even values, and 2 times y2 plus y4 and so on to yn minus 1, all the even values, plus the last value, that is yn. So this is the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. 4 into odd numbers and 2 into even numbers, where h is the gap between the intervals given in the question. Now let's take some examples. So we have given an integral which ranges from 1 to 3, and the function is 1 by x. So the integral is dx upon x 1 to 3, and n equals to 8 is the interval, and we have to solve it using Simpson's 1/3 rule. So first let's write down the given things. N equals to 8, x0 is 1, the lower limit, and the upper limit is 3. So before proceeding further, we have to find the value of h, which is the gap between the intervals. So the formula is xn minus x naught divided by n, and xn is x8 minus x naught divided by 8. The value of n is 8, and after putting the values we'll get h equals to 0.25. Now the function given is 1 by x. So this is y1, y3, y5 and y7 and so on. We can see the values from the table itself. Let's write the values for our convenience. and the last value is y8. Of course, this is nothing but y. So solving all these things, the answer which comes out is 1.0987. So this is the answer for the given integral, and we can verify the result using simple integration, which we solve by putting the values of upper limit and lower limit, of course. So the answer will be same. Now let's see another example. The integral is 0 to pi by 2 exponential of sine x dx, and the interval is 4. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by 2. The value of h in this case is xn minus x naught divided by n, which is x4 minus x naught divided by 4, and x4 is nothing but pi by 2, and minus 0 by 4, the h is pi by 8. Now just like the previous example, we will form a table for the values of x and y. And fx in this case is exponential e raised to power sine x, and fx is nothing but the value of y. So for every value of x, we will find a corresponding value for y. So starting with 0, the lower limit, and we will add h in every x. So these are the values for every x. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, and last value is y4. So the value of this integral 0 to pi by 2 e power sin x dx will be equal to h by 3 y naught plus 4 times the odd values. The odd values in this case are only 2, that is y1 and y3, plus 2 times the even value, which is y2, and the last value as it is y4. So we'll put all the values. H is pi by 8 and y0 is 1, plus 4 times y1 is 1.4662 plus 2.5191 plus 2 times y2, which is 2.0281, and y4 is 2.7183. So after solving all this, we will get the value of this integration as 3.1044. This is the answer for this given integration. If you like this video, then please give a like and subscribe the channel, and also share it with your friends. So thanks for watching.